In this video, we're looking at how to make a speculative application. That means getting in touch with an organization to ask whether they have a suitable position for you, even though they're not actually advertising a specific vacancy. And this is a really great way to find hidden opportunities. Making a speculative application is often called applying on spec, and it's a very common way to find roles in some sectors, including creative industries, the media, and also the environmental sectors. And a way to do that is you have to be really clear about what you're asking for and also finding the right people to approach. Applying this way requires you to be organized, confident, and also being able to demonstrate your skills and experience. And your reward is a position that's created just for you. Making a speculative application demonstrates initiative and proactivity, which employers value. It also builds your professional network, and even if the company you approach doesn't have a role for you straight away, it helps you to find out about any future opportunities as well. So, to maximize your chance of success, research the sectors and companies that interest you and also create a short list of who to approach. Websites like LinkedIn, Beckett Careers Online, and also Hiring and GradCracker are really good places to find out about employers, especially small and medium sized companies. Research your target companies by looking on their website, in industry news, and also following them on social media to find out what sort of products or projects they're involved in, what are their values, stuff like that. Look at any job or placement vacancies that they've advertised recently to find out about what skills and experience they require. A way to sell yourself and convince them you'd be a great fit for their business is by tailoring your CV and cover letter and making it clear why you've approached them and what it is about their products, services, or values that appeal to you. And you also need to demonstrate that you have relevant skills and experience to offer and that your values align with theirs. Once you're ready to make that application, it's really important to choose the best time to send it. Avoiding holiday times is a must because they'll be less likely to get back to you. And also writing a catchy and clear subject line in your email. For example, motivated student with marketing skills seeking placement opportunity. And finally, try to find a named person to contact either through LinkedIn or calling the company. So if you're thinking about making a speculative application, take a look at our videos on tailoring an application and cover letters to see what to include. You can also access all of our application resources in the apply section of Beckett Careers Online. Thank you for watching.